It's always nice to tell them I'm going to check something here and I plug that in, and it kind of wows the customer a little bit too. I can explain to them what I see, what's not running, but I've also verified it.
It will already know by your serial number what service bulletins are out there on that exact machine. Us having it sets us apart from any other appliance tech in town because no one else has it.
They have more confidence in what happened when I walk out the door. People have seemed to develop a trust for that. They believe in what you're doing. So it actually takes you steps and shows you and educates you on things of what have happened with the machine days prior before you've arrived. Did it get up to the proper spin speed? It gives you all that information.
In the past, when you had to do firmware updates, you had to order the sum module and usually had to go back a second time, where when you have the HQ, you can do it right there first time.
People relate it to when they're getting their car fixed. Mechanics have those tools where they can plug it in. It's very friendly to show what's going on.